In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share specific folders or dashboards with client emails and set permissions so they can view or comment. Let's dive right in. First, ensure that you have all the folders or dashboards ready that you'd like to share. This is the foundational step before delving into permissions and sharing. Having everything organized will make the process smoother and help you keep track of what you've shared. Once everything is set on your end, you're ready to start the sharing process. Next, open the platform or application where your folders or dashboards are stored. This could be a project management tool, cloud storage, or any other service that allows file and folder sharing. Ensure you are logged in with the correct account that has administrative or owner access to these items. This is important because you will need the appropriate permissions to share content with others. Now locate the folders or dashboards you want to share. Once you've found them, look for a share button or option. It's usually represented by an icon with a person or a link. Clicking on this option should open a sharing menu or window. Here you will typically be prompted to enter the email addresses of the people with whom you want to share the content. Enter the client emails carefully to avoid any typos, as mistyped addresses won't be able to access the materials. After entering the client emails, you'll need to decide on the permission settings you want to apply. You'll generally have several permission levels to choose from, but since we're focusing specifically on viewing or commenting permissions, you'll want to select one of these options. View permissions allow the recipient to see the content, but they won't be able to make changes. If you choose comment permissions, they can add comments or feedback without altering the content itself. This can be particularly useful if you want clients to provide input or ask questions directly on the document without modifying the original work. Confirm your selection to finalize the sharing process. It's always smart to double check everything before you do. Ensure that you've selected the correct folders or dashboards, entered the correct client emails, and applied the right permission settings. Once you're confident everything is as it should be, go ahead and send the invitation to your clients. Finally, it's a good idea to notify your clients separately, perhaps via email or your preferred form of communication, letting them know that they now have access. Share any relevant details such as what specific items you've shared, and if there's anything in particular you want them to look at or comment on. Some platforms automatically send notifications, but personal communication can help ensure they look out for the access invitation. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently share specific folders or dashboards with your clients while controlling the level of access they have for viewing or commenting. This is a great way to collaborate effectively while maintaining control over your content. Thank you for watching and happy sharing.